Well, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today's a big day. Gossec Gavotte on the violin, the last song in Suzuki Violin Book 1. Song number 17. Tutorial and playthrough. If you want the playthrough, skip ahead. Tutorial. Let's just give some background. This is a beast. This song will feel like forever. Alright, if you don't know already, it's going to feel like forever. Listen to the form. A, A, B, C, C, D, D, A, B. Alright? Yeah. If you learn each little section and the correct amount of repeats and whatnot, you'll be fine. All right, just tackle one at a time. Now, just be thankful. This is my little story time. That you're not in the old days, because the old days, when Dr. Suzuki was still around, he would require people to send in, or students to send in recordings of songs 1 through 17, and then he would actually listen to them and approve it or not, whether you passed the book or not. Can you believe this? Okay, this is not happening anymore. Okay, so what we do is we try to do our best with every song, 1 through 17. 17, we should really put some extra effort to really show that we've mastered everything in the book, okay? Because it comes all together in song 17, Gossec Gavotte. So here we go, tutorial. Now, sections A and B have these 8th note staccatos, okay? So those little dots above the note heads. So, to play these, be in the middle of the bow, sticky bow, put some weight into it, and open and close your elbow, push and pull. Okay, then we alternate with some quarter notes that are smoother. Right? So it's just a matter of alternating between the staccato and the smooth quarters. Sections C and D, marked cantabile, which means singing. So definitely a different sound. So we want the sound to sing and flow forward. Now, the most notorious and irritating part of this entire song is here. I'm going to call it out. Measure 20. This 1 3 2 3 4 3 2 1. All right. The reason why it's difficult is because we have a 1 3 high 2 3 4 3 low 2 1. That 2 has to move and it be mobile. So I'm going to show you what I like to do, and this will solve the problems hopefully. So keep your 1 down throughout the whole thing. Did you see that? So as soon as I play my 3, my high 2 pops up and is ready for 4 3 low 2 1. Right, it's preparing already. As soon as it's done with its job, it moves on. All right, so practice that. Really get it to be good, and a reflex, you'll have no problems later. Okay, the only other things that are tricky are measure 29 and 30, okay, where we have string crossings with slurs on the D and G. So just watch out, practice that slowly, don't flap your arms around, you'll be fine. Final thing, we have pizzicatos at the end. So, now, that's one way to play it, what I call the flying pizzicato. So we have, I stick my finger out and pluck, pluck, my bow hold is intact. The other style that most beginners like to do is what I call the catch. So, you're going to catch your bow, put your thumb, and do a grounded pizzicato. Again, capture, there you go. So do whichever one works for you. I like the flying one better because I don't have to adjust my bow hold very much. Are you ready? Time for the playthrough. Let's just do this. All right, so it's marked allegretto, medium, lively. Let's go. 1 2 3 4. that's it. Let me know how you did. All right, if you found value in this, let me know. Like, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Next book. Get your Suzuki book 2 ordered, and we're going to be going. Let's go. Bye.